Hi, this is Miss Connell, and I am going to show you how to get onto our Seesaw and how to get onto our live um, morning meeting on Monday. So first you're going to log in just like you normally do, and you're going to go to Google, okay? And I'm just going to type in Seesaw. Once I get there, I can click the login button in the top right corner, and you're going to choose I'm a student, okay? You're going to sign in with Google, sign in with your school Google account. That's the only way it's going to show up, okay? So I'm going to go back and I'm going to log myself in as a teacher, but you're going to log in as a student. Once you get there, you are going to see your activity, okay? And if you can't read it yet, that's okay. I have some instructions. You just push the play button and they will read them to you. So let's find out what to do.
Good morning. Welcome to your first day of school. We will have a live morning meeting at 8:30 a.m. today. Click the link below to join our Zoom call. I can't wait to meet you.
All right, so the directions told me to click this blue link. And when I click this blue link, we are going to join our Zoom meeting. Now, right now, I can't do my Zoom meeting because I'm on a video with you, but that is all you have to do to log into our morning meeting on the first day of school. You are just going to click on that blue Zoom link. I'll see you there. Bye.